hello, that's Hollywood with the multi-tiempo report. En este informe, hablo en español primero, and then I speak in English, o algo así. En el Pacífico Oriental hay una nueva depresión tropical. Depresión tropical 9E. Creo que sí. Y esto es la futura tormenta tropical Ivo. Ivo, por aquí, sí. Tormenta tropical Ivo. En el momento no hay ningún peligros afectando tierra, pero lluvias fuertes y inundaciones repentinas son posibles, sí, en el futuro por esta zona o para, no sé. Y aquí hay una zona de probabilidad 10%, pero en el futuro creo que sí. 10% también. Y en el noroeste Pacífico hay depresión tropical Trami. Depresión tropical Trami ha tocado tierra en China. China tiene un aviso de amarillo de tifón. Y en esta zona por aquí, lluvias torrenciales son posibles. Y también por aquí. Y sí. Y en el Pacífico Central, casi Central Pacífico, pero noroeste Pacífico o algo así. Hay tormenta tropical o depresión, no, tormenta tropical Peva. Peva está aquí. Aquí es Peva y aquí es Trami. Y sí, esto es todo. Sí, esto es todo. Eso, no sé. Yeah, so into English without any kind of transition. So we've got this thing over here that is the new Tropical Depression 9E, future Tropical Storm Ivo, where no land hazards on this at the moment, but this area could be seeing strong rains and possible flash flooding in the future, depending on, how far it goes on. But at the moment, nothing. This area is just a 10% chance at the moment, and as high as a 10% chance in the next few days. And actually, in the Eastern Pacific, there is an area that's not even indicated because it says an area of low pressure could form south of the southern coast. So yeah, there is this area wherever it's going to be that's currently a near 0% chance, but as high as a 20% in the next 5 days. There's a 20%. And then we've got Peva, who they were predicting would become a typhoon. However, now it's apparently just predicted to stay at tropical storm status. And then over here we have former typhoon Trami, who has made landfall in China, and China still has the yellow warning of typhoon, because the scale goes, was it blue, yellow, orange, red? So I believe it was orange yesterday, so things have tapered off a little bit with that. But this area still can see, what is that, greater than 250 millimeters or something of the sort. And even still all the way back here, they've got some pretty high rains possible with this storm. So yes, that is what is going on at the moment, tropical cyclone-wise. Severe thunderstorm weather-wise in the US today. Just kind of a bit of a chance. Well, if you go over here, there's 7 mesoscale discussions in effect. The highest, though, see, if you scroll down, you can read, whether it says watch unlikely. The highest of any of these is 20% that they'll actually issue a watch. So this is, good as a heads up, but they're probably not going to be issuing watches on any of these. As of the time I loaded the page, here are the warnings in effect. So got got a flash flood warning back there, and then a couple of severe thunderstorm warnings out here on the coast type areas. In general today, this is the outlook map showing the probability of severe winds, which are winds 58 miles per hour greater. So now you can kind of have an understanding as to why there may be 7 mesoscale discussions in effect, because there's a whole bunch of areas of the country affected. And hail-wise, similar-ish, though it does look like it kind of tightened up on all of these areas. And this would be the probability of 1 inch or larger hail. And tornado-wise is apparently not much of a threat. Doesn't mean it couldn't happen, just, it's not... The conditions are not very favorable. Tomorrow doesn't change much. 5% chance for this area up there and down there. And no big outbreaks expected on the near horizon. That's a good thing, right? So kind of mild-ish severe thunderstorm weather happening in the next few days or whatnot. SevereWeatherTV.com is the official homepage of this screencast. WickedWix is WICKEDWX.com. And CycloCane is CYCLOCANE.com. And that is it for today. And hopefully you're staying safe out there.